Today we are going to discuss about the sciatica. So sciatica is a symptom of a medical problem. It's not a medical condition by itself. Sciatica caused when the sciatic nerve compressed. So what is the sciatic nerve? Sciatic nerve is the thickest to approximately 2 centimeter in wide nerve in the body. It is the largest nerve in the body, originate at the base of the spine and running along the back of each leg into the foot. It is made up of L4 through S2 nerve root. Then it refers to the pain, weakness and numbness or tingling in the leg. So what is the cause of the sciatica? Sciatica occurs when the sciatic nerve becomes pinched. The cause is usually a herniated disc in the spine and overgrowth of the bones, sometimes called the bone spurs, form on the spinal bones. More rarely, a tumor can put pressure on the nerve. So what are the clinical presentation of the sciatica? The most common symptoms of sciatica: radiating pain, numbness, tingling from the low back or buttocks down the back of the leg. Pain can be consistent or intermittent and can range from a dull ache to sharp and excruciating. Some patients report muscle weakness in the affecting leg or the foot. So this is the pain pattern. Common pain lines in the sciatica. Anterolateral view of the lower extremity. The black thick lines represent the sharp radiating pain, which often has a dermatomal distribution. The sharp radiating pain in S1 radiculopathy is indicated by interrupted lines. It tends to be in the center of the posterior thigh and the calf. The diffused gray areas represent the poorly localized dull ache. The circle indicate areas where pain may be concentrate. The areas covered by the small dots indicates the location of the paresthesia and sensory impairment. So here is the S1 root pain. Then is the L5 root pain, L4 root pain and the L3 root pain. So this is the pain pattern of the sciatica. Thank you. How we can evaluate the sciatica? So sciatica is the most commonly diagnosed by the history and the special test. History, the complaints of radiating pain in the leg which follows a dermatomal pattern, and the special test which is Lassig's test, Braggart test, Boutstring test and the slump test. Thank you.